Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Put the watch snugly on the wrist you normally measure, because skin contact matters for signal quality. Once done, open the ECG app on the watch or the health app on your iPhone to trigger the test. This links data and settings. Make sure you are seated with your arms supported and relaxed to reduce motion artifacts. You'll see a 30-second countdown. That exact window is where the watch records electrical activity, so stay calm and steady. You will now record. Rest your forearm on a flat surface and touch the digital crown with the index finger of the opposite hand. This closes the circuit and lets the watch sense the electrical signal. Do not press hard. Light contact suffices, because firm pressure can alter readings. While the 30-second timer runs, remain motionless and breathe normally. Movement creates noise and confused classifications. When the recording completes, the watch displays the waveform and rhythm interpretation, so you can review results immediately. You finish by saving the recording to Health so you can export a PDF for your clinician. This contains the waveform, classification, and timestamps. If the watch returns an inconclusive or poor recording, wait 10 minutes, relax, and repeat. Physiological changes in motion cause many false negatives. If repeated attempts fail, check the watch fit, clean the sensors, update watchOS, and ensure the health app permissions are enabled. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.